We started in a barn. We have so many different skills in-house, which we've sort of added on through the years, and that's why we shine, because we keep everything in-house. I'm proud of that, and the guys are proud of that too. We make anything from giant sculpts to basic joinery, fixtures, fittings. We do our own spraying here in our spray shop, fiberglassing, scenic paintings, special effects paintings, and we incorporate all these skills together to produce quite unique pieces of work. Propability is a one-stop shop for retailer to produce their vision within their store, whether it's in the windows or on the shop floor. My name's Tyrone Cano, and I'm one of the 2 directors here at Propability Limited.
The Hot Wheels project we are currently doing is a display stand for the Hot Wheels product. I'm Edward LeGrove, I'm head of 3D at Propability. I'm a sculptor, and I also control the 3D robotic arm. Power mill is the essential tool that we use to create toolpaths that can then be used by the robot to mill our sculptures.
They wanted to incorporate a life-size car within the shop floor, but as Hamleys is the biggest toy shop in the world, I believe, but it's still tight for space, so every inch is used.
We then took the 3D model, we've altered the dimensions, we've inserted a display stand in the middle, we've also created dump bins for product and a display stand at the back, which we've then sliced up so that we could place it on the robotic arm and milled each piece separately.
There are certain things that you can still do by hand quicker, so you have to pick and choose what you use the machine for. For instance, specific customers that have got specific guidelines, they can give us the files and we can sculpt it exactly as the file they've given us. So that in itself has revolutionised the way we do things. Working with Autodesk has been brilliant for our business efficiencies. In the past, it would have taken us 3 weeks to sculpt a car of that size, and now it was reduced to about a week.
You have to think of the robot as an extension of yourself, as a tool. You can't think of it as taking over from the whole process. So you have to use the robot as a tool, and it can become your hands.
Propability, in a nutshell, make our customers' creative vision come to life. If you can think it, we can make it.